I think I'm just gonna, oh my God, here we go. No going back now. Have you ever had the kind of day where you're just like, F it, I need a change, and for me, that day has come. I'm going to cut my own hair for the first time. This will either serve as inspiration to you or a warning not to try this at home. I've been cutting my own bangs at home for about 2 years, and the bangs started with one of those F it mornings. I was just like, you know what? I want bangs, and I just chopped them off. Today, I want to go really shabby, shaggy bob. My inspiration is Tokyo from Money Heist. I think I can just kind of hack it off, try to layer it, and then see how it looks. Let's get started. I've got some horrible scissors and a comb. I think I'm just gonna, oh my God, here we go. Okay. No going back now. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm like shaking. Oh my gosh. Hack it off, hack it off. Oh boy. Oh boy. I could go with a mullet now, huh? Oddly satisfying to chop off your own hair, guys. I highly recommend it. Oh my God, so like that on its own like is kind of cute. Wow, that's like really even, isn't it? To do the layering, I think you like do something like this and then like chop into it. Is that what you do? Let's see what this does. I don't know. I'm gonna cut off a finger, guys.
There might be blood.
What did that do? That kind of worked. I'll do some more of that. Why not? Boom. Guys, like, am I done? That took all of like less than 10 minutes? I don't know. I think I need a mirror for the back. Okay. The back could use some help. I don't know what. I think maybe a little bit shorter. What am I doing? I'm just kind of like chop, chop, chop. What did I do? Cute. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Okay, okay. Let's see. How are we in the back? Oh my God, besides all this fuzz. Finding some stray hairs. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I made a big mess. Shocker. So, kind of made a little bit of a mess. Not too bad though. I did put a paper towel so that it wouldn't go down the drain. Hopefully I saved our pipes. I don't know how to do the back. Oof. This is the struggle, is the back. I'm just gonna let it go. There we go, guys. I just did a little shaggy bob all by myself for the first time. I think it came out kind of cute. I think you could try it too. It's fun, and I just saved myself like 50 bucks. Be sure to follow for my hair adventures. I will link the playlist below, my hair coloring and hair adventure playlist, because I am an amateur. I don't know what I'm doing, and that means you cannot know what you're doing and still come out not looking too much of a hot mess. As well, it's fun. YOLO, FOMO, it's just hair, it grows back, whatever. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Bye.